Hello and welcome to Mentor MMA channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a very strong Excel tool that has been there for a few years. However, it's not widely used, and that's why we wanted to share it because it's very strong tool that is available for anyone who is not very strong with Excel or they struggle with finding ideas that how they analyze their data. This is a very strong tool that can help you answer your questions, and especially for freelancers and for those who receive a data and are asked to analyze that data to present it in a graphic format or to create slides out of it. For them, this tool is super helpful where they don't have a background of the data, what we want to do with this data, and Excel will tell you what to do with the data. So let's jump into it. I have this data here. This is dummy data. So I select this, and then there is a function under Home tab. You will find Analyze Data. If it's not there for your Excel, you could simply go to the search option on top of your bar and type Analyze on that, and Excel will show you the Analyze Data option. So you click on Analyze Data, and that is it. Instantly, you have options presented to you. So there are 7 different analysis ideas that are presented to you by Excel. You can click on Show More, and then you see more options. And on top, if these are not enough, then Excel is also suggesting you some more questions that you can ask. So there is an option to type in your questions. So if you want to ask any particular questions, for example, if you are a freelancer and you receive data with some questions, you can ask those questions here. Or when you click on this, you also get suggested other questions. So you don't even have to think of the question itself. That is also suggested by Excel. Anyway, so that is on asking questions, and your questions will vary based on your needs. So I'm not getting too much on that. Let's look at the ideas that are provided. So there is an idea to insert a pivot table with columns and rows, which if you're not familiar with pivot tables, that might be quite a challenging task for you. However, here it's as simple as clicking on Insert Pivot Table, and your pivot table is done. You have your pivot table ready, and your data is analyzed in that particular way. Going further, it also suggests you insert pivot table chart. So pivot table chart is inserted in just one click. If you continue further, there is another option provided to you that you can have a chart inserted in a different format. So all these various ideas that are provided to you, you can insert them, and then later you decide which one suits your needs best. It's creating different tabs for some of the data. Chart was inserted within the same sheet where the data existed. So you can go on like that, and you can see that how simple it is. It's just one click and everything is set up for your analyze data. You simply need to copy and paste this in a PowerPoint if you are planning to create a presentation, or you can simply use this the analysis within the Excel sheets, whatever suits your need. All right, so that was our quick video on data analysis. I hope you like it. If you did, please subscribe and hit bell icon, and we look forward to see you in next videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.